Worried your Gmail account might not be as secure as Fort Knox? Let's fix that by walking through how to change your Gmail password in just a few simple steps. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon or your initial. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from here. Select Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account dashboard on the left sidebar. Click on Personal Info. Now, scroll down until you find the password option. It's usually located under the Profile section. Click on Password. You'll be prompted to verify it's you by entering your current password. Type it in and click Next. On the next screen, you'll be able to create your new, stronger password. Enter your desired password in the New Password field, and then confirm it by typing it again in the Confirm New Password field. Make sure it's a strong one. A mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols is best. Consider using a password manager for inspiration. Finally, click the Change Password button and that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail password. You should see a confirmation message saying password changed successfully. Remember to keep your new password safe and secure. For extra security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. Stay safe online.